welcome back to the American Girl Addiction. I got a huge surprise this week when American Girl actually shipped the Diwali celebration outfit that I ordered, but was originally back ordered until April 2022. So this is very ahead of schedule, which is very welcome. And I just got it today, so I wanted to show you guys. I haven't filmed all of my unboxings. I filmed some of them, but I haven't released them all, but I definitely wanted to get this one out as soon as possible. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is gorgeous. I haven't even seen the whole thing yet. So we have this top here, and it's, I don't know the exact fabric name. It almost feels like brocade, like it's very stiff and ornately embroidered. It's, oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. And then we have the skirt set, which is made the same way with the same type of pattern. It's so beautiful. And then here we have like the, is it meant to be like a headscarf or a face like veil? I'm not sure. This, I think it's a bowl of some kind. I'm gonna have to look in here. It has, does it come with stick-on earrings? Either, I don't know if they're stick-on or not, but it comes with a bunch of earrings to match. We have golden sandals. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. We have this pearl necklace and either another necklace or some kind of bracelet headdress thing. I'm not sure what it is. Let's see this holiday in depth. So 5 days of Diwali celebrated in Hindu. It's the festival of lights. It's so beautiful. I love these little books about the holidays. Oh, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Diwali. And I'm going to have to look up how it's supposed to be worn on the doll before I dress up my, I have a custom doll. She's meant to be Indian. Her name is Tariko, which I recognize is Japan. She has a whole history, but she's meant to be Indian, and she's going to be wearing this outfit. So I'm going to get her dressed so I can show you guys.